Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of our class. The class is going by very, very quickly. I've really been enjoying reading your papers about your theorists. I'm not all the way done reading them, but the ones I have read have been excellent. So thank you very much for all of the hard work you are putting into your assignments. For week 3, we are going to be, I guess to the majority of your pleasure, we're going to be spending some time looking at Montessori. So if you check your readings, you will see that there are readings and films for you to watch about Montessori. So you will be doing that and then taking a quiz just to make sure that you've understood this approach. There is a quiz. That is, the first one is Montessori. The second part is the Reggio approach. So you're going to be reading and watching films about Reggio Emilia. Again, taking a quiz just to demonstrate your understanding of the topics that were presented through the materials for Reggio Emilia. And the most exciting thing for week 3 is by Wednesday, the 4 classmates that were assigned to week 3, and we thank them very much for doing this in week 3, will be posting their hot topic presentations in the discussion, and then you are to watch those between, they'll post on Wednesday, so you might have some time on Wednesday to watch them, but you will have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to access those 4 presentations. And then below each one, in the discussion thread that was started for each, you will then put your comments, insights, questions for the classmate that posted that hot topic presentation. So that's really exciting, and I do look forward to seeing all of them. You probably did see my notices with regard to our first live Google Meet. I had a little emergency with my elderly mom that happened, of course, literally 2 minutes before I was supposed to start the Google Meet. So it was switched till Monday. There weren't a lot of people there, but that's fine. As long as even one person attends, I am happy to continue to offer that. So we'll see how this week goes. This video will be posted on Sunday. So Sunday night at 7, so tonight at 7, there will be another Google Meet offered, and we'll see if anybody's interested. Again, these Google Meets aren't required. They are not lectures. They're not to provide new material. They're really an opportunity for you to be able to literally hang out with your classmates and have any conversations that you choose to have about the material and sort of get a chance to get to know each other in a synchronous way if you would like to do that. And I know some people really thrive with having synchronous opportunities, and other people are fine with doing their work asynchronously. So whatever works for you, that's fine. Please know if you have any questions, post them in the questions discussion board. We've had some really good ones, ones that have actually pointed out that I omitted a direction. So that's the kind of stuff I really appreciate, because one person has the question, probably 19 of you, 19 more people have the question. So it's very appreciated. So I really look forward to looking at your quizzes from this week. And then also I am super excited about the hot topic presentations and the feedback and comments that you're going to make. Feel free to reach out to me at any point. Email is a great way to do that, and I will typically get back to you within the hour, if not within the day. And very exciting. So go forth with week 3 and let me know if you need anything from me. Take care.